Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to embed a tweet in WordPress. Let's get started. So here's a page that I have. Let's head over and click on this edit page right here in order to open the block editor of WordPress itself. While that's loading, let's head over to our Twitter and look for a tweet that we want to embed. So I want to embed this tweet. So what we can do is we can click on the share icon, click on this copy link right here, and once it's been copied, let's head over to publish.twitter.com. Now let's paste in here the link that we have copied, and then you can have these options right here. It can be embedded video or embedded post. So since we're talking about posts, let's head over and choose this one. And now you can see this code right here. So what we can do is I can head over and copy this code that we have right here. Now we just need to paste it into an HTML version. So let's head back to our WordPress, and then in here, let's just type in here a slash and search in here for HTML. Click on this custom HTML right here, and let's paste it here the code that we have copied to Twitter. Here it is right here. Click on preview in order to know what it's look like. And as you can see, it's been added just like that. So let's head over and click on the save option, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.